What's up, beautiful people? How are you all doing? So for today, I'm going to be teaching us how to add volume to our bra cup, how to increase our bra cup. So I'm going to be teaching us two methods of increasing your bra cup, adding volume to your bra cup. So what you are going to do is you are going to fold this into two. You fold it into two, you notch the middle part, you notch it like so. Same thing for the down part, also you fold it into two and notch the down part too. I hope you can see. Then I'm going to take half an inch like so. This is half an inch. Then I'm going to take 2 inches down here, half an inch and 2 inches, half an inch like so. This is my half an inch, and then my 2 inches. So I'm going to sew it down. I'll sew it down again. The foam is too thick, my machine could not hold it. So I'll go to the down part also. For the down part, I'm going to be doing half an inch by 2 inches also. Half an inch by 2 inches. I'll mark my 2 inches. Now we can see the difference. Can you see? Can you see how my cup has this push up effect? Can you see? It literally gave my my cup a push up effect. When you hold the darts on the upside and the downside, it gives this push up effect, as opposed to me doing just one dart. Let's just do one dart to this so you will know the difference. So for this, I'll be doing half an inch by 2.5 by 2.5 inches. It's more like you're taking a dart. Now when I compare this to this, can you see the difference? This literally, I hope you can see it like this, it gave me the push-up effect, but not that much, you get, compared to this. Can you see the difference? This gave me that push-up effect and it looks a bit rounded than compared to this. So this is how you can add volume to your bra cup. I hope we can see. It literally means you are taking a dart up and down of your bra cup to give it this push up effect. Thank you. Please, if this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.